Good afternoon, everyone. Today's our topic is growth and personality development. No, it does not fit you. All living things eat and grow physically. Everyone knows that all living things grows, okay? From the birth to the child adulthood, there is continuous growth going on. Height and weight is growing on. Growth is seen only the age of 18. 18 age तक ही तुम लोग grow हो सकते हो. Till the age of 18 only you can grow. You can grow. Similarly, to we too grow in height and weight from birth to the adulthood. You will see this also from the information that your friends enter about themselves. Some of them will be more than you in the height and weight. कोई कोई बड़ा भी रहता है तुम्हारे से height और weight में. Okay, while some will be less. कोई छोटा रहता है, लुकड़ा रहता है, like that. Same. All are not same at all, but they will all have gained a height and weight since they were in standard first or standard second. This is because the first 18 years are the growing years for all the boys and the girls. Only 18 years, till 18 years, you're going to be grow. Okay? Skills and efficiency. Small babies cannot do anything for themselves. Is a small baby can eat by themselves, can go for the toilet themselves, can wear clothes for themselves, children? No, they cannot do. Yes, if they need something, they can only cry and beat about with their legs and arms. They started crying, and all that, okay? The mummy come to know that she's hungry, she has done something potty, she has done toilet or something she want, okay? They attract the mummy. How they attract the mummy? By their crying. But soon they began to get control over some of their movements and develop coordination between the different movements. For example, they learn to turn their head and look at something they choose. वो लोग अपना head को घुमाना start करते. They started moving their head and what they want, they are looking for that thing. If they recognize someone, they smile. If they come to know that this is my papa, this is my sister, they started smiling with us. Okay. If they recognize someone, they smile. They learn to grip and hold things and then to take them towards their mouth, to take them towards their mouth. Sorry. As they learn to control and coordinate their movements on their own, they began to do several other tasks. For example, picking up things, holding a spoon and hitting it on a plate to make a noise. Achieving control of one movement to learn to do something new is called learning a skill. Means that is what we call, they are learning the skill, new skill. They are saying to us and they are learning from us only. What does everyone feel when a baby says her first word or takes a step for the first time? What do they do? When we are saying that my sister is so small, he is only crawling. But at last, when that day comes, when she starts saying, Mommy, I, Papa, 2 words comes, okay? We feel happy. Mother feels happy when she started walking, okay? As the baby learns various skills, the baby and everybody is happy. They praise the baby, they love the baby. The baby does the same thing again and again because she is getting love from every person at home. Thus, she gets a lot of practice with those skills and her strength also built up. Slowly, she began to do the newly learned tasks more easily and without making mistake. That is, her efficiency increases. Every day we keep learning. Every day we keep learning from some of the things and all that. कुछ देखते देखते हम लोग सीख जाते हैं. Okay? Every day we keep learning. that makes it easier to learn new skill. For example, once the child is able to hold something, he can learn to throw a ball. After learning to walk, the child learns to do more difficult things like running, hopping on one leg, or catching a ball. But when she does this after learning, कुछ पढ़ने के बाद, कुछ सीखने के बाद ही वो okay. These new tasks also includes activities that are a part of our daily routine, such as eating with one own hand, washing one own plate, having a bath, dressing oneself, etc., etc. These are the works we should do with our own. Now we will see about the development. Every day we keep learning. Everyone knows that every day we are keeping learning and all that. Okay. After doing this, everything we should learn by ourselves. Development. As we grow, everyone knows that if we are growing, as we grow, our height and weight increases. जैसे जैसे हम लोग बढ़ रहे हैं, हमारी height भी बढ़ती है और weight भी बढ़ता है. With age, our physical strength also increases. जैसे वैसे ही अपना physical strength means energy also increases. At the same time, we keep learning new skills also. In this way, every individual makes progress. This is called a development. This is called a development. These animals learn from their mother. Animal learns from their mother that how they should do. The hunting and all that. The skill of obtaining their food, protecting themselves from the sun and rain, and from their enemies also. After that, they began to live independently. थोड़े दिनों के बाद वो खुद अपना शिकार करना चालू होते हैं और अपने अपने जगह बना लेते हैं. They want to live where they want. Okay? Animals learn only a certain number of skills in their life. In comparison, human beings go on learning many more things throughout their life. Some of early skill like walking and running comes with the age without having to be taught. However, we have to be taught many of this skill. We learn later. We learn many skills from our parents, teachers, and other elders also. The greater the number of skills we learn, the less is our dependence on others. जितना हम लोग खुद करेंगे, we are not depending on others also. Even so, it is not as if we do every one of our tasks ourselves. For example, not all people stitch their own clothes, nor does everyone cook their own food. But we must all learn to take the responsibility for doing our personal tasks ourselves. Okay, we cannot teach our clothes. Okay, we cannot grow the food that we are eating every day. But खुद का काम तो खुद करना चाहिए. Our work should be done ourselves only. Heredity. Now, what is meaning of heredity? Okay, children, we'll see this. Do you know that our height grows till we are about 18 years, children? Old, I told you now only in first line only that our height and weight grows when till we are 18 years old. Of these people, how many are very much taller or shorter? Generation to generation, it's called a heredity. Yeah, very much taller or shorter than their parents because it's come by their heredity. Our looks, our build, and other physical characteristics are like those of our parents only. We look alike like our mother or our father only. People of one family show similarity in many ways. Some of our futures or trends are like those of our grandparents or our parents' siblings. That is why sometimes people who know them recognize us even if they have never met us before. When we are going to marriage and all that, some of the uncles and aunties, "Hey, tu techi porgi es na? Hey, tu techa porga es na?" They recognize us. How do they recognize us? By seeing our face. Okay, by seeing our features, same like our mother, same like our father and all that. Okay, so we are, it's called an heredity. जैसे ही हम लोग same to same दिखा देते. Being born with certain features or traits in common with the members of our family is heredity. This is inherited traits. Okay. However, even though many of our traits are like those of our family members, no one has any control over which traits we will inherit and which we will not. Read and reflect. Read and reflect. Now, what is it? An industrialist had worked hard to expand. Okay. One example I am giving. Who is smarter now? Okay, telling me. Okay, telling me. An industrialist had worked hard to expand his business. One industrialist was there. He worked hard to expand his business. Expand means banana, increased his business. He had three assistants. How many? Three assistants. He conducted an experiment to decide whom to make the head of his factory. After he retired, he has decided that after my retirement, these three assistants are there. उसमें से मैं किसको बनाऊं मेरा head factory का? He gave 5 lakhs rupees to each of them. How much is 5 lakhs? And told them to do whatever they do best with the money. उनको क्या बोला गया? तुम लोग को जो करना है करो और money मुझे double करके दिखाओ. After a year, he called them and asked them to report how they had used the money. After calling them, what the first person says, first assistant says, I have kept the money safe. It cannot fall into anyone's hand. I can bring it back to you whenever you say. Okay. Second one says, this year, I double the amount of yearly bonus we give our workers. I also gave them all the feast. All the workers were very happy. I think I used the money really well. He has given the money to the as a bonus. Okay. Third assistant said, with a part of money you gave, जो तुम आपने मुझे पैसा दिया था, I brought a better machine. I brought a big machine. अच्छे machines लाए. So our production due five-fold means 5 गुना ज़्यादा बढ़ेगा. Our production is also of a better quality and the demand for it has also grown. Means he has doubled, tripled the money. Third one. So means everyone thinkings are different. He kept in a safe deposit. Okay. Who first one has kept in a safe deposit money. बैंक में तो ज्यादा कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. बैच इंटरेस्ट ही मिलेगा, वो भी थोड़ा बहुत मिलेगा. Okay. Second one has given the money to the factory's worker. Mr. उसने खर्चा कर दिया. But third one, what he did, he brought a machinery for the big production, for the another production. जो production बाहर बिकने जाएगा उससे और पैसा आया. Okay, then third one is better. For better personal development, we inherit the ability to learn many skills. Okay, means इससे आपने को सीखने के सोचो, ठीक से सोचो और काम करो. The growing age is the time to recognize this ability and to develop our skill. Developing our skill help us to live an independent, useful, and enriching life. Now, what is the good diet? Because of the good diet also we are our height and weight increases. Everyone knows that. We know that food is necessary for growth. Everyone knows that food is necessary for our growth. However, in certain circumstances, the growing child does not get the various food constituted in adequate proportion. This leads to malnutrition, affecting the growth of that child. For example, a person does not grow as tall as they could have been. Even if such a person gets a good diet, later on, it is of no use for the growth of the body. Growth of the body. Other factors that support growth and development, along with the nutrition food, adequate exercise is also must to develop growth and development. We should do exercise also. Food के अलावा भी आपने कुछ करना चाहिए. That is what? That is an exercise. Lack of exercise also affects growth adversely. Okay. One must also be careful to study well, avoid addiction and their ill effect, develop hobbies, take part in sport, and learn new skill. If you take care of to do all this, it leads to good development, whether boy or a girl. Each person has every right to get the opportunity to make progress and enrich their own life. Enrich their own life. You will see each one has a unique personality. Unique means a different personality. Each one is not same. Everyone is not same. Everyone is different. Everyone is a unique person. Okay. In your class, there must be some children who are good in study. अपने क्लास में कभी कोई पढ़ता है कोई नहीं पढ़ता है. They are good in study. Some are not good in study. Some like arts. Some like sports. तो जो पढ़ता है उसको स्पोर्ट्स नहीं पसंद होगा. Means each and every child is unique. Okay. While others are good at games and sports. Some sings well and some like to act in play. इसको क्या पसंद है किसको क्या पसंद है. All are not same. All are different. Every person is different from all others. Our physical and mental makeup is not the same as that of anyone else. Our personality development through our interests and efforts, what we like to do and what we practice every day. During the growing year, we also learn to tell what is good and what is bad. Our personality can be said to be excellent only when we put good thoughts into the practice. Okay, when we put our good thoughts into the practice. Always remember, children, we do not learn good values only to write about them in exam. Good values should be not written in exam only. Usko apne life में do it, allow it. Okay. जो तुम लोग लिखते हो एग्जाम पेपर में सेम यू कैन डू इट इन लाइफ आल्सो. Practically you can do it. They must be reflected in your behavior also. In your behavior also. This was our chapter, children. It's a small chapter. So we will first recall what I taught you. What we have learned. We grow in height and weight right from the birth till we reach adulthood. A newborn baby cannot do anything for itself. Everyone understood? Okay, newborn baby cannot do each and every work by its own. It needs some help of other person. So how she attracts the person? By crying. We learn many skills from our parents, teachers, and neighbors, also from others persons also. We see similarity in people of the same family. Even so, every person is unique. Okay, we see the similarity between the mother and a daughter, son and a father, like that. The more the skill we learn, the less we depend on others. जितना हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, learn करेंगे, हम लोग दूसरे पर depend नहीं रहेंगे. We can live an independent, useful, and enriched life with the help of the skills. The help of the skills. I hope everyone understood the chapter here.